Nestled within the heart of Punjab, Pakistan, lies the city of Muzaffargarh, a place where history and nature converge in a harmonious blend. This vibrant city, steeped in history and natural splendor, offers a unique glimpse into the past while embracing the present. It sits proudly on the banks of the majestic Chenab River, a lifeline that has shaped its destiny. As a vital part of Pakistan's breadbasket, Muzaffargarh is renowned for its agricultural prowess, producing a variety of crops that feed the nation. Yet beyond its fertile fields lies a world of captivating beauty, where nature's artistry is on full display. The river's embrace shapes the landscape and sustains a rich tapestry of life, from lush greenery to diverse wildlife. The city's history is interwoven with the ebb and flow of the Chenab, a river that has witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations. Its fertile banks have nurtured civilizations for centuries, leaving behind whispers of the past in the form of ancient landmarks and ruins. These ancient landmarks stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, each with its own story to tell. Today, Muzaffargarh stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature, where the rhythms of rural life blend seamlessly with the city's urban pulse. The air is filled with the sounds of life, from the bustling marketplaces to the tranquil fields stretching towards the horizon. The scent of freshly tilled soil mingles with the sweet aroma of mangoes, a testament to the region's agricultural bounty and the hard work of its people. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the land, Muzaffargarh transforms into a scene of ethereal beauty. The Chenab River, a shimmering ribbon of silver, reflects the fiery hues of the sky, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The distant calls of birds signal the end of another day in this captivating corner of Pakistan, where every moment is a reminder of the beauty and resilience of life. Muzaffargarh, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty, invites you to discover its many wonders and experience its timeless charm. Whether you are drawn by its historical landmarks, its agricultural bounty, or its serene landscapes, Muzaffargarh promises an unforgettable journey. The Chenab River, a shimmering ribbon of silver, reflects the fiery hues of the sky, while the distant calls of birds signal the end of another day in this captivating corner of Pakistan. Muzaffargarh, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty, invites you to discover its many wonders. The Chenab River, one of the 5 mighty rivers of Punjab, is the lifeblood of Muzaffargarh. Its meandering course, cutting through the heart of the city, is a source of life, sustenance, and unparalleled beauty. The river's flow dictates the rhythm of life in Muzaffargarh. For centuries, its waters have nourished the land, transforming it into a fertile paradise. The Chenab's banks teem with life, providing sanctuary to a diverse array of flora and fauna. Birdwatchers flock to its shores, eager to catch a glimpse of migratory birds that grace the region with their presence. Fishermen cast their nets into its depths, their livelihoods intertwined with the river's bounty. The Chenab is not merely a geographical feature, it is an integral part of the city's identity, shaping its culture, its economy, and its very soul. Muzaffargarh is known as the food basket of Pakistan for a reason. Its fertile plains, nourished by the Chenab River, produce an abundance of crops that feed the nation. Wheat, cotton, sugarcane, and mangoes are just a few of the agricultural treasures that flourish in this region. Driving through the countryside, one is greeted by a mesmerizing tapestry of colors. Emerald green rice paddies give way to fields of golden wheat swaying gently in the breeze. The air is thick with the sweet smell of ripening mangoes, a sensory delight that is synonymous with Muzaffargarh. This agricultural abundance is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farmers who toil tirelessly to bring forth the bounty of the land. Their deep connection to the earth is evident in the care and precision with which they tend to their crops, ensuring that Muzaffargarh continues to play its vital role in feeding the nation. Muzaffargarh experiences a semi-arid climate, characterized by hot summers and mild winters. The region receives most of its rainfall during the monsoon season, which typically lasts from July to September. The scorching summer months, though challenging, are an integral part of the region's agricultural cycle. The intense heat, coupled with the monsoon rains, creates the perfect conditions for crops like cotton and sugarcane to thrive. Winters in Muzaffargarh are mild and pleasant, offering a welcome respite from the scorching summer heat. The climate's influence on the landscape is undeniable. The Chenab River, fed by melting snow from the Himalayas, swells during the summer months, replenishing the land and sustaining its greenery. The changing seasons paint the landscape in a myriad of colors, from the vibrant greens of spring to the golden hues of autumn. This constant interplay of sun, wind and water has shaped the very essence of Muzaffargarh's natural beauty. Section 5. Nature's palette, flora and fauna of Muzaffargarh. Despite its semi-arid climate, Muzaffargarh is home to a surprising diversity of flora and fauna. The Chenab River in particular acts as a vital corridor for biodiversity, providing a sanctuary for a wide array of species. Along the river banks, one can find lush vegetation, including reeds, grasses and shrubs, providing shelter and sustenance to numerous creatures. The river itself teems with fish, a vital source of food for both humans and wildlife. Birdwatchers will be delighted by the avian diversity in Muzaffargarh. The region attracts a variety of migratory birds, especially during the winter months, when species like ducks, geese and cranes seek refuge in the warmer climes. The skies come alive with the sights and sounds of these feathered visitors, creating a spectacle that is both mesmerizing and awe-inspiring. While the region faces challenges in terms of habitat loss and climate change, conservation efforts are underway to protect Muzaffargarh's unique biodiversity for generations to come. Section 6. Tranquility personified, parks and rural escapes. Beyond its bustling city centre, Muzaffargarh offers pockets of tranquility in its parks and rural landscapes. These serene spots are perfect for those looking to escape the noise and chaos of urban life. These green spaces provide a welcome respite from the urban hustle and bustle, allowing residents and visitors alike to reconnect with nature. Whether it's a leisurely stroll or a family picnic, the parks offer something for everyone. One such haven is the Head Mohammed Wala Park, a sprawling green space on the outskirts of the city. This park is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving natural beauty. With its lush lawns, colourful flower beds and serene walking paths, the park is a popular destination for families seeking a day of relaxation and recreation. The vibrant flowers add a splash of colour, making it a picturesque spot. Venturing further afield, one encounters the true essence of rural Punjab. The journey itself is an adventure, with scenic roads leading to charming villages. Villages dot the landscape, each with its own unique charm and character. These villages are the heartbeat of rural life, where traditions are preserved and community spirit thrives. The pace of life here is slower, dictated by the rhythms of nature. It's a stark contrast to the fast-paced city life, offering a peaceful retreat. Fields of sunflowers stretch as far as the eye can see, their bright yellow blooms turning to follow the sun's path across the sky. This natural spectacle is a sight to behold. The air is filled with the sounds of nature, the chirping of crickets, the rustling of leaves, and the distant calls of farmers tending to their fields. It's a symphony of rural life. These rural escapes offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of Muzaffargarh, where life unfolds at a more relaxed and organic pace. Here one can truly appreciate the simple pleasures of life. Section 7. Beyond the horizon, nearby attractions beckon. For those seeking to venture beyond the city limits, Muzaffargarh serves as a gateway to other captivating destinations. Just a short drive away lies the awe-inspiring Kanpur Dam, a marvel of engineering that tames the mighty Indus River. The dam's reservoir, a sprawling expanse of turquoise water, offers opportunities for boating, fishing, and simply soaking in the breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Another nearby attraction is the historic city of Dera Ghazi Khan, located on the western bank of the Indus River. Known for its rich cultural heritage, Dera Ghazi Khan boasts numerous shrines, mosques, and ancient ruins that offer a glimpse into the region's storied past. Whether seeking adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a change of scenery, the areas surrounding Muzaffargarh offer something for everyone. Section 8. A legacy of nature and culture. Muzaffargarh's natural beauty is inextricably linked to its rich cultural heritage. For centuries, the people of this region have lived in harmony with the land, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of nature. This deep connection is evident in their traditions, their cuisine, and their way of life. The annual Mango Festival, for instance, is a vibrant celebration of the region's most beloved fruit. The festival brings together people from all walks of life to enjoy the sweet taste of Muzaffargarh's mangoes, participate in cultural performances, and celebrate the bounty of the land. The city's many shrines and mosques, often adorned with intricate tile work and calligraphy, stand as testaments to the region's rich spiritual heritage. These sacred spaces serve as centers of community life, providing solace, guidance, and a sense of belonging. Section 9. Conclusion. Muzaffargarh, a place to remember. Muzaffargarh, with its captivating blend of natural beauty, agricultural abundance, and cultural richness, leaves an indelible mark on the hearts of those fortunate enough to experience its charms. The city is a living canvas, painted with the vibrant hues of its festivals and the earthy tones of its farmlands. From the life-giving waters of the Chenab River to the endless fields of green and gold, the city offers a sensory feast that is both invigorating and calming. The river, a lifeline for the region, nourishes the land and its people, creating a harmonious balance between nature and human life. As you wander through its bustling streets, filled with the sounds of daily life and the aroma of local cuisine, explore its tranquil parks or venture into its serene countryside, where the pace of life slows down, allowing you to truly connect with the environment. You'll discover a place where time seems to slow down, where the rhythms of life are dictated by the seasons, and where the warmth of the people rivals the warmth of the sun. The locals, with their welcoming smiles and generous hearts, make every visitor feel at home. Muzaffargarh is more than just a city. It is a living testament to the enduring spirit of Pakistan. It is a testament to the enduring spirit of Pakistan, a place where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. A place where nature's bounty and human resilience intertwine to create a tapestry of life that is both inspiring and unforgettable. The farmers, resilient and hard-working, are the backbone of this vibrant community. So, come, lose yourself in the embrace of Muzaffargarh, where every corner holds a new discovery, and discover a world of beauty that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. The memories you create here will be cherished for a lifetime.